Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this one, let's talk about how you can reset the search feature in the Messages app on your Mac computer. I've read some people having some issues with their MacBook Messages app, in particular when they try to find some specific thing in the messages, but it simply doesn't show it up, even though it's right there in the messages. So here are some things you could do to reset it. It is always a good idea to keep the Messages app up to date. And the way you do that is by updating the whole Mac OS, as the only way to get an update for the app is through the whole software update. So make sure you do that. In the Settings app, you can easily find the software update button. It's right under the General section, so make sure you do that. What you can also do, as you're still in the Settings app, is to find the Spotlight section, inside which you can find the categories or like the apps that can be used for search. So try to see if messages are there. If not, of course, just toggle them on, and even if you have it toggled on, try disabling and re-enabling it again to see if it makes any difference. And one last idea that I have about this is to reset the iMessage syncing. Inside of the Settings app on your Mac, when you tap on your name at the top to get in the Accounts page, you can click on iCloud, and in there, you can easily find the messages. Make sure you turn it off and then back on, or try to reset it somehow to see if it makes any difference. So these were my ideas or ways to make it work better. If any of these worked, please let me know down below in the comments. Also, if you have any insights or thoughts, write them down in the comments. Thank you for watching.